Hey everyone, it's me, Code 1996, and today I'm back with the Black & Decker Air Swivel Versatile Ultra Lightweight Vacuum. This vacuum weighs only 9.1 pounds, has a 2.0 liter dust capacity, a 10-foot long hose length, and 30 feet of cord length. And for $89.99, I think it's a pretty well-built vacuum. You can see the dust cup comes off like this. And to look at the filters and clean them, which I recommend you do regularly, because this is a foam filter right here with a harder type of material on the back of it, about a few millimeters thick. And then there is this sealed right here kind of fabric material too. So I would recommend you clean that. And there is filters right here on the top and on the bottom right there that seal this in there. And it is where the airflow is in the bottom, like the Dyson. So where the cyclone is, it pulls in the dirt, and then this right here seals to the bottom. And this hose comes out of there, and it's pretty long. I have to measure it and see if it is 10 feet, but it is a pretty long hose. And that just lifts up like that and goes in there. And if you get any clogs or anything, you can use like a different vacuum if you have one to suck them out of the machine. So that comes out right there and goes right back on. And now let's take a look at the post motor filter. You just move that over like that to unlock it. And I honestly don't know what it is. It's some type of material. I have no idea. But it's really hard to get out. It's like almost sealed in there, but it's not sealed. But if I do this, it will make a better of a seal. But it just clips on like that right there. You lock it into place. And now let's take a look underneath at the wheels and everything. You can see right here, the wheels are rubber coated, and they're really nice, really gonna grip the floor and not scuff them up. Even right here, there's non-marring wheels on that. And they're pretty good quality. These don't make much noise, but these will probably start squeaking eventually. There is a seal, like a little squeegee right here, so when you're doing hard floors, it will help seal to the hard floors to make it pick up the dirt, because there is no way to turn off this brush roll, which is a really pretty good brush roll. You can see these brushes are pretty stiff, not too soft, but they're pretty stiff. And that's the airflow channel. You can see right there, there's a little bit where it goes up right there and over here. And it doesn't look like there's, there might be in the front right there. There's some airflow for this section right here over the top of the brush roll, so that's good. So this looks pretty good. I'm gonna put it in the upright position, and we are gonna take a little test run of this new Black & Decker. So there is a cord hook right here, so you just hook it in that. So you pull it back like so, and to turn it on, you hit that power button right there. Let's see what it picks up. You can see that dust in there already. It does have pretty good agitation. You can see it down to 70 pounds of carton. It's doing pretty good. I looked at it. It's all does swivel nice. See if we can clean this edge right here. clean the edge from front or side. Technology is really awesome. It, like, the whole head of the vacuum stays on the ground when you swivel. It doesn't move. Like, lift up off the ground. And it moves really easily. Right underneath that. Look at that. Automatic carpet adjustment. Really easy to move to. It doesn't bat down to the carpet. It goes pretty low. It could go under some not too small tables, but go under chairs like this. Everything is picking up. Moves around really good. Picking up quite a bit. But this is just the first little test. See how well it performs. That's me a little quick because I don't want it to be too long of a video. I know it's pretty long already. Picking up all the sand. run over the edge of a rug. Because you'll burn the belt. It smells like burnt belt in here, so we'll see if it still works. It still works. Well, you see what I've tried vacuuming, don't try vacuuming that. You can see the agitation is pretty good. It's lifting the rug up to clean it. You see everything bouncing off the front of it. Just picking everything up. Look at this. Look at that. That agitation is incredible. Let's take a look at what we were able to pick up. You can see that is all the sand, the dirt, and the dust. There's quite a bit of sand in there, quite a bit of dirt. You know what you think? Please like, comment, and subscribe. This filter doesn't look really dirty. And this filter, wow, look at all that dust. This vacuum doesn't have a good cyclone. You can see all that dust right there. And that doesn't look too dirty. It looks like most of it got caught in this top first filter right here. So let me know what you think. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.